I've traveled a lot, but I've never taken a real vacation. I've always worked along the way, and so I figured it was time. I told a couple of friends to come meet me in LA.
We only got one day here in California, so we're gonna go grab some breakfast, go to Six Flags, have a good time. Hayden used to live here, so he's gonna show us around.
It's pretty crazy.
All right, we just made it to the Hotel Cerulean Tower, one of the best spots to stay here in Tokyo. That guy just embodies everything about it.
What? And that'll loosen up your hip flexor.
I'm saving myself. Ew, I might grab something wrong if you keep clinching. You're not a doctor.
Shinjuku, and we are running it back. Second night in a row. Levi and myself came here the other night, and now we're bringing Benton.
I did not come yesterday. They said that it's the best steak that they ever had.
I don't like to hype stuff up, but this was probably top 3 for me with one of the cuts. I eat a lot of steak. Would you agree with that?
Every day. Every day you eat steak.
Camera eats first. Plate number 4. I'm not gonna lie, I still did work like 20 minutes every couple of days. I didn't really do anything, but just checking in on it makes me enjoy my trip better and be able to feel free for the next couple of days. So,
All right, we're here somewhere in Tokyo. We took an Uber to get to this cool spot. We got so many cars, buying some gifts for people, but mostly gifts for myself. We are here in Niseko. We're staying over here. Time to go get some food, and then we'll hit one of these lifts and go explore today. It honestly feels so good out. This is just perfect weather. A lot of fresh snow.
If I get banana bread now, will it be good at lunchtime?
We're up here nowhere near the top of the mountain because everything is shut down due to high winds. Yet another day that has dumped a bunch of fresh snow on us. This is going to be great. It's our last day out here riding, day 7 up here in northern Japan.
Yesterday, I took some hard slams. It was fun. I'm sore. Left ankle's a little cooked. Left shoulder, which has always been a problem. I've had long-standing injuries there. So today, you got to be a little more careful. We're going to do some filming. Definitely going to send some more flips off some ledges. Scope out some more spots. We're bringing out the long lens here. Look at that, baby. We're headed up to the top. We're gonna have some real fun backcountry. It's been closed for a few days, so we should have the freshest of tracks. Hopefully no avalanches.
Have a good day.
We just wrapped up last run on the last day. How we feeling, Levi?
I'm feeling good. Woke up this morning with a pounding headache.
All right, this is what a $70 box of strawberries looks like.
That's a good strawberry.
That's a really good strawberry. It was like $9 a piece. Ready?
Hell yeah. Back to the greatest country in the world.
It was an amazing couple of weeks in Japan. We had a great time, but the travels are not over. I've got another month left on the road, and there's another vlog coming. So make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you in the next video.